Tefl-Dude here, and today we're going to show you quickly how to add subtitles to a video. Here's one I've made already. I'll just show you how the subtitles are looking.
Jerry Robinson is rich and ruthless. Feared by the city, he has earned millions from running some of our biggest companies and choosing who should stay and who should. So
that's the example. Now normally there are no subtitles, and we're going to edit the final part of this video here.
It's taken just 3 weeks for Jerry to find the Browns a new boss.
And as you can see, there are no subtitles. So what we're going to do is use a program called subedit. And if you type in subedit download, just go down to this one where it is videohelp.com. So open that page and you will be brought to this page. Now I downloaded the subedit 3.5.9, the new one. So we're going to open that now. And as you can see, we're given a clean page to add subtitles here and a video here. Now you can add text yourself, but I'd prefer you add it through a text page. What I mean by that is we're going to add the video first. Here's our video file. And then I'm going to go to File and import a plain text. And here, open up the text file. So let's make one first. I just so happen to have from one of the articles the actual text that is given. Now, even if you don't have a text, it's better to write the text down first, but not in Word. Press Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy it, or right click copy. Open up a text editor, which is Notepad, and Ctrl V, paste it in. Now every line is going to be a separate subtitle, timing that is. So here, this and this would be separate. We don't want that. Make sure each line is on a separate area that you want. And I'll leave in the narrator customer one, but you can delete it if you so wish. Just takes a little more time. So we've got these here. Maybe the Simon Yeah could be on the same subtitle, doesn't need to be. And here again, shirt and tie like you, customer one. Leave that like that. So I actually might even put Simon's on there as well. So we'll leave that. Here it's quite a long subtitle, so I might split that here to a new line. Going down, I'm going to do the same for the rest. Here, that's a bit too long. The rest is fine. This one I omit. Here's some more, it's quite long, so cut it. Make sure though you have format word wrap on, just in case you don't. There we've got, that's quite a long bit of text, but I think we decided that's a new line, and this one also. Yada yada yada, everything looks fine. Maybe your problems are solved. He has bought the business the right way, and perhaps this is fine. Okay, so let's file and save that. I'm going to save as. I need to find out where this text is again. Splitting hairs. 04. I'll just put 04 and save that. .txt. And if we look in our folder, we can see there's the text. Now, so what we're going to do now, we have our text document. Let's close that. Go back to the subtitles. And here, you simply import your plain text. This will open up and we open the text file here. There you can see it. Let's double click. And now what you need to make sure is, it might be this automatically, but you don't want this. I want one line as a subtitle because I've decided which ones they're going to be. And you can see here they are down here. Leave all of these blank. Maybe remove empty lines just in case there is one. And simply click on OK. Okay, so we have the text on the left, we have the video on the right. We can edit the text here, and we need to make sure you're on adjust, not translate or create, but adjust. So let's play, and we'll pause when we hear the first words.
It's taken.
So that's the first one, it's taken, and we will set start time.
In just 3 weeks for Jerry to find the Browns a new boss.
Okay, and now we click on set end and go to next. And you can see up here, it's set the end to 7 seconds, and the next one we're ready, quickly set the start time. And you can hear what's about to come. Now set the end, go to next, start time.
Thank you very much. Sorry we're so late. I got the job.
Again, set end, start time.
Yeah.
Oh, well done. You made up your mind quickly then, didn't you?
Yeah.
So I went a bit too long there, it should be...
So this will be your last week then, will it?
Mind quickly then, didn't you?
Yeah.
So now, again, set to end, go to next, set the start time. You can see we're here. It normally gives you 3.5 seconds, but you can wait longer.
So this will be your last week then, will it?
And you can see this is not taking...
Well, I suppose it will be, but...
This is not taking long at all.
Shirt and tie job now then. Shirt and tie like you. Good man story then. Why not?
Okay. So now we set end. Now the next one, when is that going to arrive?
A year later.
So pause there, and this time we click set the start time. It's on the correct subtitle. Okay, so we've clicked set the start time, and you can see that it's changed up there to 34, although the end time is 33. So it doesn't show, but what you do is you wait until this has been said, and then we'll set the end. So watch 33 change.
Later, Jerry Robinson checks up on how the Browns have got on.
So now we simply click set end and watch 33 change. See, it changes to 38. Set the start time of the next one. So if we go back, you can see the pause works properly.
A year later, Jerry Robinson checks up on how the Browns have got on. With Jerry...
So this needs a new start time. So we just go set start time and it becomes later. This is wrong, but don't worry. Wait till you hear straight to work.
He's backing as the new boss. Simon got straight to work.
Set end, and you can see it's worked better.
Jerry,
Set that as the start time.
A lot of difference to us, and Simon's done a very good job.
And that will be the new end time.
Over the year, Simon increased sales with a dedicated sales team. He cut costs by buying fruit and veg direct from the growers and by bringing the expensive partners in from the road.
Simon was the right person, and my God, everything has fallen into place.
Okay, so that's it. The video's done, and all I have to do now is File, Save As, and you'll see that we have SRT subtitle 1, and now we're going to have number 4. So instead of saving it as a text, it saves it as a SRT, which is better for most video. And now we can click off this, and there you see, we can click on the video now.
It's taken just 3 weeks for Jerry to find the Browns a new boss.
And it's done. Now, if you're wondering how I got the black shadow on here, so what you need to do is go to the Tools, Preferences, Subtitle, and you can add a shadow and add a background. That's all you need to do, and then you have a nice background for your subtitles.
Sorry we're so late.
Well, I hope you've enjoyed that, and remember to subscribe and give this video a like, and we'll see you on the next video.